Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Live. Guys, as I have told in the previous video, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to start the sketcher with the basic settings. So let's move on. Just click on the desktop icon and select the part options. So now you can see you are in the part interface, but the sketcher option is not available in the ribbon. So for that, what you need to do, don't worry about that. Actually I kept it off because to show you that how to bring it back if it is not available. Just right click here and go with the sketcher. You can see here a lot of options are there. You can choose according to your requirement. So now we are going to choose the sketcher. Now here you can see the sketcher option has added in the ribbon. So these are the sketch tools. Now we have to enter into the sketcher. Before that, we'll be going for the unit settings. Come to the status bar. In the status bar, you can see here the custom is selected. We can choose the unit from here itself. You can see here MKS, meter kilogram second, CGS, centimeter gram second, and mmgs. So we'll be using mostly mmgs, millimeter gram second, and you can go with the IPS also. It's totally according to your requirement. I'll tell you here one more thing. Sometimes like your status bar is not available, so then how to define your unit? So for that you can do one thing. You can go to the view. In the view you have one more options, user interface. In the user interface you can see here the status bar is selected. That's the reason the status bar is available in your screen. I'll uncheck from there itself. Now you can see your status bar is not there. Now how to define the unit? So for that you have to go to the options. In the options you'll be having one more option that is called document properties. Inside the document properties you'll be having the option unit. So you can see here whatever unit we have seen there, all these things are available here also. Already I have told everything about this unit. And you have here one more options, custom. By using this you can customize your unit according to your requirement. Okay, so let's active this status bar. Go to the user interface and select it. Now I'm going to define the unit from here itself. I'll be choosing your millimeter. So unit is also defined. Now you can see here one more thing. This is called origin and this is blue in color. Just to remember, whenever it's blue in color, it means that your sketch is not active. So why I'm telling blue in color when the sketch is not active, it means that whenever the sketch is active, no, it will change its color. You can see here we cannot create any sketch on empty space. For that we need to go for the plane or planar surface. So initially we'll be going with the plane. So you can see here we have here three planes. The first is front plane, top plane, right plane. You can choose any one, any planes. It's not visible, but if you want you can make it visible also. Just select all the planes. Right click on it. You can see here show and hide icons. You can just click on this. Now you can see here all your planes are active. Instead of doing like this, we can go with the according to requirement. Whichever plane we want, we can choose that one also. Now I want to start. Okay, I'll hide all this plane once again. Don't want. Now I'll be selecting any one plane, like I'll go with the font plane. So click on the font planes. Now you see what happens. Your origin color got changed because your sketch is active right now. And you can see here you will be having here one more option which is called exit sketcher. So this is how to start your sketching with a few basic settings. So hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.